What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can travel and fly for free doing less than 10 minutes of work every few months or so. So first off, what am I talking about? How am I able to fly around the country or even around the world and travel for pretty much for free? It's through the power of credit card churning. So essentially what that is in a nutshell is the process of signing up for credit cards that offer very good bonuses, like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or City Premier or other cards like that that offer 60,000 point, 80,000 point, 40,000 point bonuses. Basically just spending the amount that's required for you to spend in the 3-month period and then just getting the bonus and then using that on things like travel and flights and all that good stuff. It's the credit card companies offer it to get you to sign up. Their goal is obviously to get you to sign up for the card and use it a lot so they can get monies from the merchants, and then also for you to hopefully carry a balance and then they can charge you interest. Of course, we're smart, so we're not going to do that. But what you do is basically, for example, I just got a Chase Sapphire Preferred card back in February of 2021 and then spent the $4,000 to get the 60,000 point sign-up bonus, and then I just reapplied and got a different card, actually the Delta Sky Miles card with a 50,000 point bonus. And so I'm going to just stop using the other card, the Chase card, and start using this new Delta card and then get that bonus. And then after I'm done, I'll have about 11 or 110,000 points, which you could redeem for over $1,000, maybe $1,300 worth of rewards, basically for no more work than just filling out 2 credit card applications, which took about 10-15 minutes each, guys. It's super duper simple. So the first step in this process is just identifying what cards that have really good sign-up bonuses at the time. The sign-up bonuses do vary from card to card per month. Some months it's higher or lower depending on how bad they want customers. So just check around, most blogs and things. There's lots of credit card websites that have these details on them, what credit cards are good at the time. If you want a video I just did recently about the best credit cards to get right now, check out this in the suggested or on my channel. So once you've identified a card, it's as simple as just filling out a credit application and getting approved. And then once you're approved for the card, getting it and just spending money on it like you normally would. Now, one caution with that, guys, is make sure you're only spending and trying to get cards that are in line with your current spending habits. You don't want to get a credit card and then just start spending a bunch of money just because you want to get that sign-up bonus, all right? You're going to lose all your money spending it on frivolous things if you're just trying to spend money in order to get the sign-up bonus. And again, that's what the credit card companies are trying to do. They're trying to get you to spend money in order to get that bonus. And if you spend too much, it'll just wash out in the end because you would have spent money that you normally would have saved in order to get more money. So you just need to be careful about that. Now, another thing you're going to do is once you spend all the money, so say for example, I had to spend $4,000 over 3 months, which is about $1,300-ish a month on that card. So you spend your monthly amount, and then all the while you're generating cash back typically. So that's more points that will add to your rewards. And then once you actually finish the period and get the sign-up bonus, so you spend your $4,000 in 3 months, you're going to then get that credited to your account. You might have to pay an annual fee. That's fine. It'll wash out. You're going to make it up with the bonus for the card. So you get the card and get the bonus, and now all you got to do is use it on something like a flight or something like that, or a cashback or any number of things. Go ahead and use those rewards. But if you want to do really well with this, you're not going to stop there. What you're going to do is go out after 3 months or so, and you're going to go ahead and get another card with another bonus. So then you can start the process all over again and get more points. Because think about it, guys. We're probably not going to be vacationing or using all these points, maybe like every 6 months, maybe every year. So it's worth it to just keep racking up credit card bonuses, and you can probably make an extra $2,000 a year or something like that for spending like an hour a year just signing up for credit card. It's really super. It's probably the most cost-effective way, and dollars per hour of your time that you could ever invest is with credit card churning. and just signing up for credit cards and just getting the points for just doing normal spending that you would have normally done anyway. All right, guys. So some words of warning, some pitfalls you want to avoid when doing this is first and foremost, never carry a balance, guys. Make sure your credit card bill is paid off at the end of the month, every single month, and you never carry a balance, because the last thing you want to do is just get eaten up by the exorbitant amount of interest that credit cards charge you, anywhere from 15 to 25% interest on the balances that you carry. So make sure to never carry a balance, guys. We're smarter than that. Okay, guys, the next pitfall to avoid is don't close the card once you get the bonus. You need to keep that card open, not just so you can get the bonus, but also so that you can maintain the account on your credit history. Guys, if you don't know how credit works, it's one big part of it is your amount of open accounts and the length of your credit history. And so when you have a card that say has most of these good cards with sign-up bonuses have annual fees, and so once you get the bonus and probably use it, you want to downgrade the card to a card that doesn't have an annual fee. So most companies have, a wide range of cards they offer, and they'll always let you downgrade to a lower tier card to keep you as a customer, and then you'll downgrade to a card that has a lower annual or no annual fee usually, and then keep that account open. Basically just take the card, stick it in a drawer, and forget about it. And that way that card account stays open, keeps adding to your credit history length, and that will improve your credit score, to the 700-800s, and make it, super easy to get other cards and get really good rates on things like mortgages and stuff like that. Hey guys, if you like that tip, please like the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and really helps to promote the channel. Thanks. So guys, another thing to avoid is just not utilizing too much. Now most, your credit limit will depend on your credit worthiness at the time and stuff like that, but you need to make sure that you're not spending too much money in order to raise your utilization of that. Will actually drop your credit score temporarily, so it can be harder to get other credit cards or other types of loans. And then the last thing to do is don't try to get a bunch of credit cards right before you need to make a large purchase, like get a mortgage, like for a house, or perhaps get a loan on a car, because applying for a bunch of credit applications, in the recent past, will look bad on your credit and actually temporarily lower your score, and could potentially end up, giving you a worse rate when trying to, get a mortgage or something. So probably don't get any credit cards, 3 to 6 months before you go and apply for a mortgage. So guys, that's pretty much it. Just follow these tips if you want to fly for free and travel for free and get all sorts of cool bonuses for little to no time at all. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe down below for more awesome content like this. Thanks, have a good day.